How much does a small YouTuber make without being monetized? How much do you think it's going to be next month? Give a prize away to the nearest guest. So guess below what it's going to be. Morning, commas. Hope you're well. This is a video about the most asked question I get in real life and usually like private messages is how much money do you make from YouTube? So I'm not even monetized yet. So I'm going to break down everything that I made in September without being monetized. So just affiliate links and Patreon. So I'm just going to break it down. Stay tuned for the total amount. Yeah, I think people assume when you start uploading to YouTube you're going to get loads of money given to you or loads of ad revenue. I can't even add ads to the videos yet. You need over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So I said hours, didn't I? So that was good. Usually say minutes. To your YouTube studio, hit the monetization thing, and it's, yeah, so it's 5,415 hours. We needed 4,000 hours to get monetized, to tick one of the boxes. We're way over that, and we're just a bit lacking in the subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed to the main channel, please go over and subscribe to the main channel, and let's break the money down. Okay, so the first thing, I have this one video which I made about these glasses actually. These are my computer glasses, and it was kind of locked down, and I think I had a bit of shave, you know, did my own haircut, or Nat did it, and I just made a video about the glasses and put an affiliate link on there. And again, I do use these every day, so it's not like I'll just put them on for videos. They do really help. It was quite an early video actually, because I did have don't know where they are now, but some gunners. It was quite a, you know, just a quick review, so I probably will do another review or something on that, just to see. It's going to get lighter and darker because I think the sun's coming in and out, so apologies for that. If I just pull up that video, which I should have done already, that would have helped, wouldn't it? Well, you do it. Put in Barna glasses into YouTube, and then you should, well, I'm appearing second on here, but I'm logged in as Com Hunter, so I'm appearing second in search. So it's had over 3,500 views now, which is amazing. Only 2 thumbs down, which isn't too bad for that channel. Yeah, so I put the affiliate link in there. It's my best performing video on Behind the Com on this channel, so it's quite interesting. And it's coming up for loads of great search rankings. So Barna glasses, Barna eyewear, Barna unboxing. It's not really an unboxing, but it is coming up for that. Barna glasses review, Barna. Lots of those views are coming from, they're coming from Google search engine, YouTube search. I'll just quickly pull up that. So the percentage of views for that one, 71% is coming from YouTube search, 11% of views coming from external. And of that external, 60% are coming from Google search. So it's been listed on Google for search terms, so which is great. And yeah, 24,000 impressions. Click-through rate on that one, let's just have a look, is for the whole time is 11%. So it's quite good for that. Great thumbnail, I think. I did that one. So yeah, so there's an affiliate link on that. So currently for September I made, so for last month for September I made nearly $100, so $98.52. So once it gets approved, it goes into PayPal, and you can transfer it in, so you get paid in sort of lump sums. But roughly £76.11 that's coming out at. So £76.11 for just these glasses. That's what they earned me in September. A little bit lower than the month before. You know, I've made the video, it's up there. Doing anything with it, it's just getting found, so that is fantastic. Maybe I need to look at a few more of those. Total commissions on that is $330. So I've had 38 referrals, and we've nearly, so $2,743 of these glasses have been sold from that video. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, and say $330 for the all time. Yeah, maybe I'll contact them and say, look, send me some more bloody glasses. I'll do a few more reviews. So that was Barna's. So Barna's, these glasses, again, go and watch the video. If you want a pair of computer glasses, go and click the link. There'll be a link below as well for those. So, and I can update you, all the people, for next month. Patreon is beating Wiggle. We'll come back to that in a minute, but Patreon, thank you to all the Patreons. Last month we're looking at £53 from Patreon, so thank you. I do try and reinvest that back in the channel, and and you'll see, all the Patrons will see the little bits and bobs. So we bought this Rode mic. So it's it plugs into the phone, so you get this good wind cheater on it, and that's what that looks like. So Patrons have bought that last month, and made in Australia. Made in Australia! Like, that's why I bought it. So yeah, Patrons have bought that. It's got a huge wind muff on it, so what the idea is, you just plug it in to your phone, and so the idea is that what I'm going to do is, the idea is to give the patrons a bit of an exclusive, as they bought it, a bit of an exclusive look at some of the com hunts. So if I'm out and about, there's something on Patreon called Lens, which I guess is like stories and stuff like that for Instagram, and I think I can post up to a minute or something. So yeah, give them a little bit of extra footage there. I might use it on Instagram stories and everything like that as well. So me and Dave Walker Blair went live one day on a com hunt, and I had to delete it. He's got potty mouth, but yeah, having that would have helped. Wouldn't have helped. I could have shoved it in his mouth to stop him swearing. I guess that would have been the thing to do. So Patreon's £53. If you want to support the channel monetarily, with your money, with your hard-earned cash, to help me continue make these videos. You know, hopefully we'll be monetized soon, and we'll start getting £10 a month if we're lucky through the adverts. But if you do want to support the channel, there's a few tiers. I'm working on exclusive content. They'll get early content of the commentaries, which again, just got to polish up the edit and just work out how to overlay a few things. Go below. Don't feel that you have to, but it will support the channel if you do that. So thank you to Chris Redman, Jane, Bullet Bell, Roz, Nat's doing it, Lewis Don, Jack Schmei, Pritchard, Steve Pritchard, Lee Baxter, Kenny Dyer, Roz. Did I say Roz? There's 10. If I didn't say that anyone, I've got them by. I think I've said everyone there. If you want to get on the list, sign up and I'll mention you. I did an exclusive episode for me, Bullet and Nat went out on Behind the Com, and I did go out to film like a sort of main episode, and Nat had a puncher. But anyway, so I did edit that together and we got it out for the Patreon. So if you want to watch that exclusive episode, sign up to Patreon, that will become available. And there is a 30-minute video of me and Bullet in a van, which is well worth the fee alone, so I've been told. Yeah, so that's £53 from Patreon. Wiggle. Yeah, so the affiliate links, other affiliate links, so Wiggle, I've made £43.28p in the last month. Again, down on the month before, just as many clicks, just not as many large sales. So the month before, I think we had someone bought a kicker, someone bought 3 grand's worth of whatever it was, whether it was a bike, it was one product, so we're guessing it was a bike, and they went through. Yeah, there's always a link below in the description, so if you are buying anything on Wiggle, it won't cost you any extra money to go and click on that link and go and buy something. If you're buying something, it's UK at the moment, though I think there are some international links that I can use, but I haven't really sort of worked that out yet. Yes, that's a huge help. That's £43. £1,081 went out, and I got £43.28. So again, go to the website, you can hit the website, there's a link there to do it. So from affiliate links, yeah, £43.28. I need to get better on that. I need to improve that. I need to sort of push some links out to Facebook and stuff, build those up, then link them out to sort of get that rolling in. And so yeah, so the total that I've made is £172.39p without being monetized. So I guess that would be the title of this video. How much does a small YouTuber make without being monetized with the ads? So yeah, £172.34. Thanks, huge thanks to the Patreons, huge thanks to people going on that Wiggle link. That will really help. Yeah, and the Barner glasses, if any of you bought Barner glass, I know Tim from Cycling Hub bought a pair, just being found in search engines now, so that's great. So and the total views, so that's £172.39 off 10,000 views, 707 hours of watch time. Yeah, we only did get 64 subs last month, so I need to push the subs again. There's just one video where I think we picked up like 20, which is when I sort of drilled it at the end saying, please subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed to the main channel, again, link below, go and subscribe, just watch some funny content, help me make more content by subscribing. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Have a guess on this video, comments below. How much do you think from the same sort of things, like maybe obviously the shop, but we'll keep that separate for next month. So how much do you think it's going to be next month? Give a prize away to the nearest guess. So guess below what it's going to be, and subscribe up here, subscribe down here, and watch this video here. This is the Barner glasses, so if you want a pair of Barner glasses, go and watch this one, and that one up there's alright as well.